Hi, I'm Krishna Yasser Rodriguez, Mr. of Filipinas, Pampanga.
Yes, Pampanga. How's your feeling right now? Na-meet mo na yung mga co-candidates mo.
Well, actually, earlier, I was a little nervous, actually. Pero ngayon tapos na, naginawa na din. Actually, excited ako makasalamuha sila. Kasi ang babait nila, actually, sa backstage.
Nung nakita mo na sila, how confident are you na you can win the crown?
Well, to that question, I'll just say that in the coronation night, you'll see someone who is really ready to be sent to any international pageant. And as an aspiring mistress, of course, I'm gonna do my best to get that crown for myself and for Pampanga.
So, nabanggit mo na yung crown. Aside from Man of the World, are you aiming other crowns?
To be honest, parang hindi kasi nandito na ako, talagang ini-aim ko yung pinakatuktok na din eh. Sayang yung effort, di ba?
If ever two last man standing na kayo, sino kayo yung makakasama mo sa if ever lang?
To be honest, my brother right over here, Davao City. Kasi just as I am, he's someone who really embodies masculinity with responsibility.
We heard kanina you're about sa political issues natin. Naging emotional ko doon. I see your emotion din.
Yes.
Parang bigat-bigat.
Yes, true.
Nung binitawang mo statement doon. How it's, can you share some of parang feelings mo that nung ginagawa mo yun?
Yung ginagawa ko yun. Actually, as a citizen of the Philippines, I think I have the right to be angry or to be sad, actually. Kasi yung bansa natin parang ang daming issue nowadays. And then yung Mr. of Filipinas, binigyan kami ng magandang platform at magandang background para talaga ma-deliver namin yung gusto namin i-express about sa politics. Yun.
And my last question, what are other preparation aside sa pag-team, sa pasarela? As usual, kumbaga, ano pa yung pinaka-extra preparation mo this competition?
I think yung maturity as a whole. Kasi yung pasarela, Q&A, pag-gym, normal na yan sa pageantry eh. Pero sa national level na pageant kasi, you need to be on your own. Hindi mo makakasama yung handler mo, yung manager mo dito. So you need to be able to handle yourself, di ba? Kung matured ka, magiging responsable ka sa mga bagay at sa sarili mong emotion kung ano yung mapapakita mo sa mga tao, di ba?
Invite them to support you and watch your coronation.
Guys, please watch me this upcoming October 22 sa SM North EDSA Sky Dome. Okay, supportahan nyo ako doon.